So, paano natin basahin yan? 52 pages. So, let's just try to use AI. So, I've already uploaded the document and I asked, what does Magna Carta mean? Because I don't know what does Magna Carta mean. And it says, Magna Carta is a simple terms, means, in simple terms, means a great charter. I don't know what does that mean. Or a document that lists important rights and protections. In the context of the Magna Carta of Filipino seafarers, it is a law that protects the rights and welfare of Filipino seafarers. Okay, so this is good. Think of it as a powerful document that safeguards your rights and ensures fair treatment while you're working at sea. It's like a long shield against unfair practices and ensures you're treated fairly. Yeah, it's quite easy to understand from here, no? Parang protection siya. So, okay, let's try to ask AI. Where does Magna... Ba't nag-blink-blink to? Okay, where does Magna Carta word come from? So what we're doing here is we're using AI. Maybe i-adjust ko lang to, no? Kasi sobrang medyo mabagal eh. Okay, I cannot do. The term, ito na yung sagot. The term Magna Carta comes from the Latin words Magna Carta Libertatum, which translates to Great Charter of Freedoms. Oh, kalayaan pala to. It originates from the historical Magna Carta of 1215. Oh, tagal na pala ng Magna Carta na word. A document signed by King John of England. This original Magna Carta was a landmark agreement that limited the power of the monarch and established certain rights for the people of England. The term is now used to refer any important document. Oh, the term is now used to refer any important document that establishes fundamental rights and freedoms.